may have a significant adverse impact in a transboundary context. So it's a broad obligation that applies to every activity having a potentially transboundary effect. Other decisions reaffirm and strengthen the existence of due diligence requirements. We also mentioned this morning the two advisory opinions of the UNCLOS. And in a nutshell, we can say that the due diligence requirement is an obligation of means to take all reasonably appropriate measures. It is variable and may require different standards depending on the risk of the activity, but also the capacities of the operator. The customary due diligence obligation applies to all activity having a transboundary impact, so military activities are not excluded. Due diligence, in my mind, is different from due regard and also the prevention obligation because it goes forward and implies some practicable and positive obligations. So let's see now the concrete practical consequences regarding the rights and obligations of coastal and non-coastal states. Article 56 and 58 that we were working on are to be read now in the light of the due diligence obligation to preserve and protect the marine environment. So first, let's see the consequences for the coastal states. The due diligence contains an obligation to adopt regulatory or administrative measures and enforce them. So first, the coastal states has a duty to adopt laws and regulations for the protection and preservation of the marine environment. We can draw a link here with fisheries and also with the international community interest that we mentioned this morning, because the link is not already is not always drawn between those two fields, but they are closely linked, fisheries and environment. The question here is, can the coastal states directly regulate by prohibiting or putting in place an authorization regime any military activities in its EEZ by non-coastal states? We can mention marine protected areas as a useful tool to apply its duty of conservation. And the marine protected area constitutive instruments could provide for measures of limitation of military activities in this area. One could, however, worry about the current tendency to create larger and larger marine protected areas covering the whole EEZ of states and illustrating the creeping jurisdiction of the coastal states in the name of the protection of the marine environment. But we could go back to this later. The second component of the due diligence requirement is the duty of surveillance and enforcement, especially if the state is aware of the conduct of pollutant activities, as it was mentioned in the South China Sea arbitration. So, secondly and lastly, let's see the consequences for the state conducting military activities. So, this state is submitted to some procedural obligation according to environmental law. First, the obligation to conduct environmental impact assessment. Environmental impact assessment are also provided by the UNCLOS, Article 206, saying that states may assess the potential effects of such activities on the marine environment and communicate reports of the results. The content of the environmental impact assessment, according to the ESPO Convention of 1991, could be the description of the activity conducted, likely impact, mitigation measures, and practical alternatives, and also any uncertainties on the available knowledge. Secondly, As the ICJ recalls in the Costa Rican Nicaragua case, if the environmental impact assessment confirms that there is a risk of significant transboundary harm, a state planning an activity that carries such a risk is required to notify and consult with the potentially affected states in good faith. So there is an obligation of notification, information and surveillance as it is provided by the Rio Declaration Principle 19 and also by some of the UNCLOS provisions, Article 198 and 204. And also as it is codified by the ILC articles on transboundary harm. So, in conclusion, some difficulties remain. For example, the distinction between procedural and substantial obligation, because if there is only procedural obligations, it means that we do not really take into account the substantive damage, for example, so it could be an important issue. The difficulty to take into account the ecological damage or the threshold to be taken into account. But I think we have seen that UNCLOS and other conventions read in the light of the due diligence principle provide for tools that can be interpreted as a limit to military activities in the EEZ or having a potential transboundary effect in the EEZ. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you very much for your very rich speech. It is a matter now to continue the discussion with a strategic approach. A strategic approach to complete or to recombine with the legal one. I give the floor to Mr. HAUTECOUVERTURE.
Thank you. Thank you very much. And a real thank you for inviting me, because I think it's pretty new for me for an exercise to address international security issues outside the arms control realm and strategic relations between states, because as I understand it, the UNCLOS is in all its aspects outside the arms control realm. And I've been involved in these strategic issues as a practitioner for 15 years, a little more. And for those who do not know exactly what arms control is, it is a political diplomatic discipline which was born in the end of the 50s in Washington to deal with the volume of violence between states in a spirit of strategic stability between the USSR and the United States, and in a spirit of parity of weapons systems. And then, as a bilateral exercise, it has slowly expanded to multilateral discipline. And definitely, the UNCLOS is not part of the multilateral arms control architecture, which by now is made of multiple treaties and conventions, either bilateral or multilateral, unilateral acts, of course, all dealing with categories of armaments and of military activities. The Non-Proliferation Treaty, of course, 1970, Charlotte talked about that. The PT, the Partial Test Ban Treaty, and then the Comprehensive Test Ban Treaty, as you mentioned it, because it has not entered into force yet. the Chemical Weapons Convention, of course, the Biological Weapons Convention, the Ottawa Convention about landmines, and so on and so forth. So, which is of interest to me as a discussant here, because I won't give a third presentation. I'm here to put your presentation in perspective, if I may, is to understand and to share this among us, how the UNCLOS UNCLOS and other than UNCLOS obligations in the UNCLOS could add to the international security architecture devoted to international security. This, bearing in mind a very current fact, which is that our strategic environment has recently become extremely fragile and under extreme pressure. And bearing in mind the fact that the arms control architecture, which has been built for 60 years, is being challenged nearly everywhere, not only in Northeast Asia, of course in Europe as well. And then, in that broader context, the question of military uses of the EEZ has become, but somehow I discovered it thanks to this seminar, a topical subject of the studies devoted to weapons of mass destruction proliferation as a phenomenon and the society diplomatic discipline of arms control, of non-proliferation, disarmament, prohibition of categories, of entire categories of weapons. And it has become, to some extent, a point of contention in strategic relations between sectors. And reading your papers, both your papers, two issues have appeared particularly relevant in my mind and timely, I would say, in that respect. As far as I perceive your problem